Cloud architecture on Azure and its testability and security. What is Azure? Azure is a cloud platform with hundreds of products in many categories. It will help to develop sophisticated cloud applications with minimum effort. Its products include in many categories such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, analytics, compute, databases, developer tools, DevOps, storage, and IoT. Cloud architecture is about cloud application is design and secure. Uh, in this in this architecture, the applications are decentralized. The services uh, communicate to eventing API or messages. Cloud architecture use resources in the cloud, such as databases, software applications, to resolve many business problems. In cloud architecture, we define those cloud components and the relationship between those. We can find various things in a cloud architecture, such as resources in the premise, such as computers, resources in the cloud, such as Azure resources, software components, middleware, and like that. Uh, there are many benefits in the cloud architecture, such as if we had a power cut in Sri Lanka, uh, we would unable to provide services in client server architecture. So we can move that into cloud and it will be still functioning. When we talk about the cloud architecture introduced by Microsoft, it's called Azure. It's very widely used, one of the three main cloud platform. Um, we can use that to create our Azure cloud application. In the documentation they mention Azure resources are to support applications with cloud architecture. Mm. Azure resources can use to overcome main challenges of cloud architecture such as data management, design and implementation, messaging, etc. Uh, we have many components to support cloud architecture, such as computing power, storage, databases, both non-SQL and SQL, content CDN, content delivery networks, security uh, providers, monitoring and management services. We can use Azure patterns to overcome cloud architecture challenges. Uh, Azure introduced design patterns and resources to implement those patterns. Developer can use those such as uh, send network requests behalf of clients so it can save battery power, uh, anti-corruption layers, bulkhead to isolate elements, load data on demand, circuit breakers, split messages, uh, uh, undo and redo, compensate setting transaction to undo and redo, single task, route compute resource, consolidations, and development stamp, deployment stamp, deploy instance with data, so they can we can get many instances as possible. uh, ex- External configurations, so the application has centralized configurations, uh, indexing priority queue to prioritize retry action to redo some failed actions, static content hosting such as CDN, uh, throttling uh, to control resources by applications like that. Also, cloud architecture is very important for modern applications because now the applications are distributed and those are in cloud. Uh, so and those are combinations of services. So we communicate each other using APIs. Also provide very uh, good resources for those. Uh, also modern applications resist for failures, uh, and those are vulnerable to attacks. Also address those issues very well. There's a 5 years of cloud architecture we can use also to uh, achieve this, like reliability, security, cost optimization, operational excellence, perfor- performance efficiency. Also, they introduce well architecture framework to achieve those pillars. Testability is the main concern of a cloud architecture. It's different from uh, other architectures. And we cannot predict all user conditions. We can find several types of cloud testing: stress, load, performance, functionality, compatibility, and latency. Testability of Azure cloud resources are very straightforward. It supports many functions for testing. It has DevOps and team foundation servers, with rich tools we can use to test our cloud applications. Also, those resources provide very uh, uh, valuable information in those error messages. We can gain many information from those error codes, and also it has time stamps, so we can get uh, idea about the latency. Security of cloud resources are a great concern. It's about protecting cloud environment, application, and data from unauthorized access. Azure provide multi-layer security across data centers, infrastructures, and operations. Also, it provides hard security and DDoS protection. Also, it has artificial intelligence detection of threats earlier. It has global security intelligence delivered at cloud scale. Also, every resource access must go through an authentication. When we compare Azure with other most popular cloud uh, providers such as Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud, all of them provide similar basic functionality like instant provisioning, just register and get the resource, auto scaling, good security, machine learning. Unlike the others, Azure developers can write their own algorithms and put it into marketplace. So I think the Azure and the cloud architecture is a great combination to develop today's business application very easily and securely. Also, Azure provide resources to achieve many business functionalities, unless the developers has to spend lots of money and time. Also, Azure has